RJ45 cable tester transmitter. In this circuit we can see the true connection between two wires. So the lighting of transmitter as well as the receiver both are same at the same time. If there any misplaced in the wiring of the RJ45 cable, we can see the lightning of transmitter as well as receiver are changed as respectively as seen above. This is the false connection. In this we can find the fault of the wiring. For solving this we can change the connection of the wire from one pin to another. This is only a simple design which can be placed on a breadboard. There is a one wire connection, two ports. That's it.